On Mixed News this week.
The pop princess conquers the big dough. Jean loves Jezebel and Plus Minus invade Manila. Welcome to Mixed News. This is your Mixed News anchor for the week, Nikki.
Yes, and I'm Dren. It's your best source for the hottest and freshest music buzz. And you know what, Nikki? 2008 definitely has been a phenomenal year for Sarah Geronimo.
I couldn't agree with you more. Her movie, A Very Special Love, was a huge hit. Her album, Just Me, has been certified platinum at sold out pa ang kanyang concert.
That's right, that's right. And, syempre, napuno na naman ng ating pop princess ang Big Dome with her major concert, the next one. And of course, our very own VJ Bianca was there. So, here's VJ Bianca.
Hi guys, I'm VJ Bianca and this is it. Sarah Geronimo's like right beside me already, so stay tuned and we'll know what she feels about her very successful concert, okay? Sarah, sobrang, first of all, congratulations because your concert was a big success. Sobra, nag-enjoy ako. Parang natouch ako sa mga mo. But, wait lang, I want to know, how did you prepare for like a concert like this? How does a Sarah Geronimo prepare for a concert?
Yung rehearsals namin, 2 weeks. Yun. So, at ease kami kasi this time, we were prepared, well prepared talaga. Medyo, unlike before kasi sa sobrang hectic ng schedule, nagkulang ng rehearsals, pero this time talagang we made sure na maayos lahat, mag-e-enjoy lang lahat. Walang pressure.
And I'm sure lahat nga nag-enjoy. Pero dito sa concert mo, anong part, ano sa tingin mo yung highlight nitong concert mo na to?
Alam mo, lahat nga highlight eh.
Sa lahat ng
Tanging Ikaw, yung song ko for my mommy. Of course, lahat ng mga numbers ko with my guests, si John Lloyd, ang daming kinilig.
Ako din, parang
Kinilig ka ba? Siyempre, kinilig din ako. Si Raver, kinilig din ako. Hindi, joke lang. Hindi, natutuwa ako na nakasama ko silang lahat at pinagbigyan nila ako.
May nalahat mo sila pusong bibig na bibig. Kahit anong gawin labig, di mo maipasin.
Ano yan, concert king ka na?
No, I feel like I'm a revelation eh. Hindi, ginawa ko lang naman to for Sarah.
Talaga?
So, wag po kayong malito. Okay, hindi po ako concert artist na. Ako pa rin yung
Maglalabas ka ba ng album?
may offer pero hindi pa ako happy sa offer nila.
Okay, wait lang, but how did you prepare dito sa concert na to?
Huwag kang matatawa pero nag-voice lessons pa ako. Para lang sa concert na to.
Anong message mo kay Sarah Geronimo?
Well, congratulations Sarah. Sobrang successful ng concert mo. And really, kung ano yung sinabi ko sa stage kanina, I'm very happy and privileged and honored. And sobrang lang akong happy na I became a part of it. Napaka-special ng night ito for you and para mapasama yung name ko doon, nakakatawa. Parang it made me feel very special.
Anong masasabi mo sa concert ni Sarah?
Ang lupit. Sarah never fails to amaze me and her millions of fans. One thing about Sarah, total performer talaga yan. Iba ka talaga, Sarah, and I'm honestly a fan.
Feel kasi at a very young age, sold out. Sobrang punong-puno yung Araneta. Parang, 'di ba? Para at a very young age, sobrang established ka na, sobrang successful. Ang ganda ng concert mo. Anong nararamdaman mo? And anong message mo sa fans mo, sa mga nanood, and sa mixed viewers, of course?
Alam mo, yung presence nila, talagang bonus na lang yun eh. Nandun silang lahat. Ako talagang pinagpipray ko lang talaga at ang main concern ko, yung mapasaya ko sila, yung masatisfy ko sila sa performances ko. Yun lang talaga ang pinakahihiling ko. It doesn't matter kung 100 lang sila o 10 o less pa. Basta nag-enjoy sila at napasaya ko sila yun. At sana Magkita-kita pa kami ulit. Till next time.
There you have it, guys. Sobrang kinilig ako besides Sarah. Na-starstruck ako. So, thanks, Sarah, for letting me interview you. Ikaw din. Sige, thank you.